East, Honorable Tom Omora, Captain Agada, and many others. We also want you to know that the chairman of this campaign council is ably represented by no other person, by the workaholic woman senator. And I speak about our distinguished sister from Ekiti State. Our national youth leader here, Honorable Kadadi. There's somebody you will all love to see. I know you will love to see him. Lagos for Lagos, Jandor. Jandor is here, seated there. So, and we also have with us from Yobe State, Malam Adamumena Waziri. And we have with us Senator Uzamere from Edo State. We have with us our mother. I've mentioned her names over and over. She is the former national woman leader of the PDP, a former minister of women affairs. She is Iyom Josephine Anene. We also have Engineer Jide from Osun State. This place, as you can see, is full of eminent Nigerians and personalities who have come to support our candidate to ensure that the non-payment of salaries and the payment of salaries in percentages is stopped in Kogi State. Do you want the payment of percentage salary to stop? Do you want the payment of percentage salaries to stop? Do you want to have your freedom? Do you want to have your right? Do you want kidnapping to stop? Do you want sudden death among our people to stop? Do you want killings to stop? What are we going to do on Saturday? Thank you very much.
Your Excellencies, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, let me quickly also recognize our brother and father, former member, House of Rep, Secretary to Kogi State Government at the time, Barrister Musa, Honorable Musa Amadou. Sir, you're welcome. We quickly jump to the next program because, you know, our weather in Kogi is very friendly. On this note, please permit me to welcome the chairman, PDP, Kogi State Caretaker Committee, Senator Philip Tanimu Aduda, represented by former Speaker, Plateau State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Daika, for a welcome remark, please. Thank you. Right Honorable Daika is the Secretary to the Caretaker Committee. Please, thank you, welcome, Right Honorable.
As the Secretary of our Caretaker Committee is coming in, let me quickly introduce our senatorial candidate in the last election. In Kogi East, Victor Adoji. Also, our senatorial candidate in Kogi West in the last election, Honorable T.J. Yusuf, is also here. Honorable Ibrahim Shaba, our candidate for the House of Rep in Lokoja Kotokarvi, is also here. Thank you.
PDP. PDP. Power. Let me first and foremost start by thanking God Almighty, who has made it possible for each and every one of us to be here today as witnesses and partakers in what we call struggling for the soul of Kogi State. Let me humbly welcome our father, our leader, our presidential candidate, who actually won but was denied. But it's just a matter of time. Your Excellency, Elijah Abubakar Atiku, our father, our leader, our president. Let me also welcome all the former governors that are seated here. Our brother, His Excellency, Senator Aminu Tambuwal, the former governor of Adamawa State, our brother and friend, His Excellency Haruna Boni Haruna. I equally saw Alhaji Waziri Maina, the National Party ESCO, my colleagues on the caretaker committee, all the dignitaries that are present here. Well, I came along with my friend, my brother, a one-time caretaker committee of the PDP on the Plateau State, of which I also welcome former Senator and former Governor Ogbeha, Right Honorable Isfanus Mansat. Ladies and gentlemen, you are all welcome. I want to thank you all for taking your time, your resources, your energy to be here today. And I want to also thank you for your commitment in ensuring that PDP thrives in Kogi State, in spite of the attitude of the governor who doesn't want people to breathe. And I'm happy that you identify yourself with our gubernatorial candidate, our friend, our brother, who had done it before while in the Senate, in the House of Reps. You've seen his landmark, and I'm sure by the time he gets the mandate, he's going to do much more better. So I want to urge you that in spite of all the threats, in spite of all the campaign of calumny, you should remain resolute and ensure that you vote for PDP. And as you vote, ensure that you also protect your vote. You don't have future if you don't snatch government from the present APC government. We're all suffering today out of it. So many people are deprived of their rights. So many people are being killed. People are dying of hunger. There is a lot of impunities all over. People don't no longer obey the rule of law. And I wonder what kind of lawless government is this. The people of Kogi State, you say Kogi, one destiny, one destiny. So you have your destiny in your hands and don't allow it to slip away. Ensure that you vote and protect your vote, please. I know time is far and the sun is quite, it's actually hitting on all of us here. So let me not take too much of your time. I want to use this opportunity to thank you and to also encourage you that PDP is the only party that can grant you what you want. PDP is the only party that is human friendly. PDP is the only party that has all that it takes that can deliver and add value to your lives. So the people of Kogi State, your destinies are in your hands. Please ensure that you vote Dino Malaye and Habiba Dean as your gubernatorial candidate and deputy governor. Are you going to vote Dino Malaye and Habiba Dean? Let me hear you say yes.
Dino, you go win.
Okay, God bless you.
Thank you. Go win. Dino, you go win. 2023 governorship.
PDP. While we await our next program, we want to inform you that Alhaji Ibrahim Idris is fully represented here by Dr. Aminu Atabo.
Thank you very much. Please, I'd like to make a special appeal. All those speaking, we just speak for 2 minutes. Please, let's leave protocols out of whatever we are saying. The next on the agenda are goodwill messages. Permit me to quickly invite these personalities on stage for their goodwill message. We have Captain Ichala Wada, former governor of Kogi State, Captain Ibrahim Idris, represented by Dr. Atabo.
All right, we're live here in Lokoja, the People's Democratic Party's secretariat in Lokoja, of course, the state capital of Kogi State. Live, the People's Democratic Party's governorship candidate rounding off his campaign, which we know he has told the 21 local governments of the state. Yesterday, he was in Basa, and of course, he met with the Igbo community now. And of course, on ground, we have high delegates representing the party, talking about the leader of the party, the former vice president, Atiku Abubakar, and of course, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the 2023 general election. We have the former governor, Wada, and host of others here in Lokoja. Let's join them and listen to what they have to say.
Vice President and candidate of PDP for the 2023 presidential election, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Your Excellencies, former governors, presidents, senators, members of the House of Representatives and Assembly, let me adopt existing protocols which have been well laid out. I thank you all for coming. You know PDP. You know me. You know what I did when I was in charge here. And you know how good it can be. So the day has come for you to speak to your leaders. And you have an opportunity through your vote on Saturday to decide which party controls the affairs of the state. PDP is the party. I urge you to support PDP. PDP is going through some setback now, but we will overcome it and we'll move on. That is the way life is. You know, PDP will improve agriculture, create employment for the young people, improve on education, and focus on industrialization. We have a lot of solid minerals. People talk about it, but we have not exploited it to the level. I believe that with the candidate you have well-packaged, well-experienced, legislative experience, governance experience, it will move Kogi forward. So I urge you, vote for PDP, and happiness will come back to this state. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Honorable Sam Ohotu speak. After that, Honorable Badams will speak.
Hello? Hello? PDP! Power, Joe! Power, Jare. Your Excellencies, let me take my time to recognize very well the leader of PDP in this country. Our own, the best president that Nigeria is yet to have. But we are still praying. That is His Excellency Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. We are very happy to have you here. Your appearance here is a very big boost for encouragement to us. May God bless you all the time. I want to quickly, with all sense of humility, stand by the existing protocol already established. Please, I want everybody here to note that it has just been announced that about 24 trucks coming from Kogi Central have been stopped on the way. I want people to note it because it's a big news that people have no free movement to come to this ceremony from Kogi Central. 24 buses have been stopped. So what lesson are we learning there? Please, on Saturday, we must make sure that nobody will stop us from casting our vote. Nobody will stop us from casting our vote. We are going to do whatever it takes. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you know, among all the candidates contesting in all parties, you have the most civilized candidate, the most exposed candidate, the most knowledgeable candidate, the man who will transform this state to Dino state. You know, we couldn't get the venue. You know, if we had the correct venue, the whole of this place would have been choked up. But nobody will stop us having our polling unit as a venue come Saturday. May God give us His guidance, give us His protection, so that on Saturday, by this time, it's almost obvious that PDP has won in Kogi State. And by Sunday, by this time, we shall be celebrating in our various cycles by the special grace of God. PDP!
You go win. Dino, you go win. Melaye, you go win. Dino, you go win. 2023 governorship. Now your time.
PDP! Your Excellencies, the good people of Kogi State, on behalf of our Amazon, the mother of Kogi Central, the leader of the progressives of Kogi Central and Kogi State, I wish to speak on behalf of Natasha Apoti, our distinguished. She may reach interactive. It's on her way coming. But if she doesn't meet us by the special grace of God, our message is very clear.
Hello.
We don't believe in any agenda. The agenda the progressives of Central believe in is the agenda of peace, agenda of development, agenda of peace, unity, and development. And this is the message we will carry to the polling unit on Saturday. We are not going to vote for any agenda other than progressive agenda. That is the message of the mommy and progressive leader of Kogi State. PDP!
Melaye, you go win. Dino, you go win. Melaye, you go
Alhaji
win.
Karaku.
Dino, you go win. 2023 governorship. Now your time.
1, 2.
Salut, Wala Nabiru Karim. We thank God for our life. We thank God for the life of our former Vice President and the candidate of PDP. I want to observe the protocol that already established. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? If you are ready, clap for yourself. I want to appreciate all of you for coming here today to welcome all our great leaders, the national chairman and other great leaders as former governors. We want them to know that we are here to perform our duty to make our governorship candidate to win election. And by the power of God, we will win. And the man that we have as our candidate is an action man. Is that not so? He's a progressive man. And also, he's a giver. And he will never forget the youth. He wants to position our youth in Kogi State to stop thuggery, to stop kidnapping, and to stop embarrassing the personality we have in Kogi State. I hope all of us are going to vote for him. PDP!
Melaye, you go win. Dino,
Thank
you
you
go
so
win.
much. May I request
Dino, you go
Honor that he accommodate to please talk to us for 2 minutes.
PDP power jaw. I want to start on existing protocol. That's why I'm going to recognize, never mind, I'm going to recognize Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, who started by being my benefactor, then became my boss, and later became my friend, and is still my boss. I thank you and your powerful entourage. This election is not about Dino. This election is about Kogi State. You all recall that when Alhaji Atiku Abubakar presented his policy document, he talked about the paradox of Nigeria. Today, Kogi represents more than any other state this paradox. In spite of all our endowments, we are still in economic and social backwaters. So And the most important aspect of it is the way our enormous human resources, the talent, the experience, and so on, has been totally disregarded by the government of the day. So we have a government of mediocres, for the mediocres, by the mediocres. And by the grace of God, we shall move forward and establish a new government. The days of Kogi, the best days of Kogi, they are not in the past. They are in the future. And Dino Melaye is going to lay the foundation for that future. This election is also about Kogi because we never, in those days, we used to have local governments read budgets, name their programs, name their projects. When I was working in Kwara, we used to complain about lack of federal presence. Today, we don't even have state presence, and we don't have local government presence. I can go on speaking. I wish this was a town hall meeting, but I want to beg all of you, let us go back and change this system, which everybody knows the state as the most violent in the country. Election violence is most prominent here. It has been said yesterday, today, and that is the sing-song of all the newspapers in this country. I wish us good luck. Thank you.
Melaye, you go win. Dino, you go win. Melaye,
Daddy
you go win.
Ogbeyasa.
Dino, you go win. 2023 governorship. Now your time.
Gbogbo Kogi State.
PDP. PDP. I can't hear you. PDP. PDP. Our former vice president, presidential candidate, and president of Nigeria who has been robbed, but God will endorse him as the president. PDP, today is probably the last day of campaign for the opportunity to rescue Kogi State. How many of you have your PVC with you? Wave your hand, let me see. If all of you should vote on Saturday, the election is PDP. PDP, PDP. For you to regain your freedom, you must vote for PDP. And Dino and Abiba are the people representing the face of PDP. I want you not to be intimidated. Nobody can intimidate you. We shall meet force with force. We shall meet force with force. I want to assure you that your security is guaranteed. Your security is go to the police station and vote PDP and you are home and dry. May God Almighty accept our request of victory. Thank you.
Melaye, you go win. Dino, you
May
go
I
win.
quickly recognize Senator Philip Giaka from Nasarawa State, also Senator La from Kaduna State. You please all welcome. On this note, I'd like to invite my home, my brother and friend, Honorable TJ Yusuf.
PDP Power Jaw. Power Jaw. Today, I have only one message to us. You have a responsibility to either rescue, deliver yourself from slavery, or you choose to be in perpetual. Will you rescue yourself? Will we rescue yourself? How do you rescue yourself? PM. PDP! Power Jaw. Power Jaw.
May I also announce that this program is live on AIT. Wherever you are around the world, you can watch what we're doing in Kogi State as also an attempt and effort to rescue Kogi State. May I invite our own, my brother and friend, standing in for the former governor of Kogi State, Alhaji Ibrahim Idris, Dr. Atabo. Please come and speak on behalf of.
As we all know, Alhaji Ibrahim Idris is abroad and he has asked Dr. Atabo to represent him.
PDP! Power to the people! Power Joe! Power Jare! I'll not waste our time, but I'll go straight to the point. I want to particularly recognize the presence of our presidential candidate, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar Turakin Adamawa, and of course, our own distinguished, indefatigable candidate for Saturday election, distinguished Senator Dino Melaye, and the running mate, my sister, Honorable Habiba Dean. Please let me stand on the existing protocol established. Alhaji Prime Idris, who is unavoidably absent today because he had to keep appointment with his doctor, has asked me to tell Kogi from the central, from the east, from the west, that PDP should take the day on Saturday by 4 o'clock. We should be able to start celebrating. Alhaji Prime Idris is 100% with the candidature of Dino Melaye. And to that extent, he went to Kogi East to present him to our people in Igala and Basaland. That is not here today does not mean that he's not 100% with this candidature. So to that extent, he has asked me to please grab the indulgence and to ask you guys to cast their vote 101% for PDP and for Dino Ajadin on Saturday. We will celebrate right from local area down to all the local comment area. Thank you, and thank you so much. God bless you all. Okay. May I invite Honorable Victor Adoji to please come speak 2 minutes. Victor Adoji, please. All right. Thank you very much. We have very important dignitaries that will just speak to us for two minutes. I'd like to invite His Excellency Governor Boni Haruna. I also like to invite former chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Prince Uche Secundus, and our own Senator Aminu Tambua, former governor of Sokoto State, to please come speak to us. Thank you so much, sir.
PDP! PDP! Hello, Kogi. We are here to join you, to appeal to you to redeem yourselves on Saturday from the oppressive regime of APC in Kogi State. We can assure you and we can vote for the candidature of Senator Dino that he is not going to fail you. He is going to deliver on the mandate that you will give him. I want to appeal to you to come in mass on Saturday and cast your votes for Dino Melaye. I can assure you that you will give testimony of his governance after 4 years. PDP! Thank you.
Thank you so much, our prince. Please, can our mommy come?
PDP!
Josephine Anini, please, can you speak on behalf of the women as you march here?
Power
Joshua
to the
Adejo,
people.
speak on behalf of the youths.
Your Excellencies, especially the Vice President, Alhaji Abubakar Atiku, our presidential candidate, by the grace of God, you are still alive and you will see many, many days. Our national chairman that is here and members of National Working Committee, PDP. Now, my message is very simple and short. First, I want to appeal to the INEC at INEC headquarters to conduct free and fair election, and also to appeal to the security agencies that the country is under tension. The only thing that can cool this country down is to conduct free and fair election. And so, Kogi people, don't be afraid. On that day, on Saturday, come out in mass and vote for PDP. Vote for yourself. Dino, your state is bankrupt as of today by the APC government. The only person that can get the state out of the wood is Dino. And so, will you vote for Dino? Now, raise your hand. Let me see your hand. Thank you, and God bless you.
Please, mommy. May I especially recognize and welcome my brother all the way from Bauchi, Senator Abdul Ningi. Senator, you are welcome, sir.
Make una take una hand come out for prison. The only way you fit come out from prison, now make una vote PDP. Next tomorrow, when you go to your polling booth, make you look for umbrella. Where them put umbrella, put your hand there. Because now umbrella go make rain not go beat you. Now umbrella go protect you from sun. Now umbrella go make you free the waka. The life where we there for 8 years, not be the life where we won't continue. Somebody like me, I begin primary school for Lokoja here for 1953. Now I start primary school for Lokoja. I not fit come Lokoja for the past 8 years because Lokoja not be the Lokoja way we know. I beg, Dino don't come. Dino don't come. Dino na young man. Dino na man wey know something. He go show na light. Make una follow man wey sabi. Make we come out from prison. Make follow who no road. The man na champion. The champion is here. Banya dike.
Emperor the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here.
Banya dike oh oh. Banya dike oh oh.
Zobu zobu enyimba master.
Toya dike, nenu dike.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. PDP. PDP. The former Vice President and PDP presidential candidate and the People's President, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, the national chairman of our great party, distinguished elders, I have come all the way from Bauchi to support Dino Belay. Dino is one of the best this nation can offer. Dino was one of the best parliamentarians beginning from 1999 to date. Dino is tested. Dino is certified. Mutanen Kogi, idan kuna san abin da ya faru shekara 8 ya faru, to ku zabi APC Kuna so! Kuna so! Kuna so! To idan kuna son a yi sabuwar tafiya, tafiya mai aminci, tafiya mai freedom, billahi lazi ku zaɓi Dino mai layi. Za ku zaɓa! Za ku zaɓa! Za ku zaɓa! To Allah ya ba mu nasara. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you so much, my brother, former governor of Sokoto State, Senator Tambua Aminu.
PDP! PDP! Our leader and former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Waziri Adamawa Atiku Abubakar, the national chairman of our party, all leaders here present, and party supporters. We're here today in this very historic city of Lokoja to declare support and give high recommendation to the people of Kogi State to vote en masse for Senator Dino Melai come Saturday, 11th November 2023. The reasons are very clear. You have tested whatever it is in the last 8 years. You have seen the best that they could offer. And I am sure that the people of Kogi State are in their need of repositioning, in their need of leadership. I therefore recommend that you come out en masse to vote for Dino Melai and vote for PDP. Dino is tested amongst all of the candidates that are running for governorship of Kogi State today. Dino is the most highly competent, most highly rated, and most highly tested. He has friends from across the globe that will help him and support him develop Kogi State. Please, our women, our youth, our elders, the good people of Kogi State, come out and vote for PDP and Dino Melai and his running mate. God bless you. PDP, power to the people, PDP.
Before we invite the national chairman, may we just give a minute to the state youth leader to please speak to the youth. Just a minute.
PDP! Kogi Youth, PDP! Youth Hour! Youth Hour! Are we ready to vote for Senator Dino? If you are ready to vote for Senator Dino, let me see your hands up. Your Excellency, the national chairman of our great party, Your Excellency, the immediate candidate of our great party, we Kogi Youth, we have resolved to vote for Senator Dino Melai. And nothing on earth will stop him winning the election come November 11. If we are ready to vote for Senator Dino once again, let me see your hands up. Thank you, and God bless all of us.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, indeed my pleasure as always to invite our national chairman, Ambassador Damagu, to please come on to the podium. National chairman, sir.
Melaye, you go win. Dino, you go win. Melaye, you go win. Dino, you go win. 2023 governorship. Now your time.
Gbogbo Kogi ṣe ẹ jẹ́ ká dìbò.
Fún Dino Melaye, gómìnà wa.
Gbogbo jàǹkọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká dìbò.
Fún Dino Melaye, gómìnà wa.
Ìgàlà ńkọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká dìbò.
Fún Dino Melaye, gómìnà wa.
Gbogbo Òkèné ẹ jẹ́ ká dìbò.
Fún Dino Melaye, gómìnà wa.
Kàbà ńkọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká dìbò.
Fún Dino Melaye.
Ice water.
PDP. PDP. PDP.
Power to the people.
Power.
PDP.
I want to use this opportunity. First of all, we are going to do some rituals here. But before we do that, I want our leader, the presidential candidate, former Vice President Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, to join us on stage. Do you want to hear from our in Nigeria and our papa who has done so much sacrifice to make sure that good living, all the same, you know them, you know how they behave, they did what they sabi best. They have done it here in Kogi. They have done it in Nigeria. They are claiming victory, but nobody is happy. Are you people happy? Are you people happy? What up in Kogi? Are you happy? Somebody just said here, for the last 4 years, na quarter salary na they collect. No be so. We have come here to rescue you from collecting quarter salary to full salary. And I will not do that until I warn you. Hello? Because when I speak, I want you to hear also from our presidential candidate. I want you to come out on Saturday. Don't allow yourself to be threatened. I know what happened last 4 years. This is another 4 years. People are more wiser now. We have defied them. If you see, they refuse to give us the stadium. But did they refuse you to come here? Can they refuse you to go and vote? They can hold their stadium, is temporary. By Sunday God willing, when you put, the stadium now becomes open for everyone. We are not going to do like them. We are Kogi people and we want to be one Kogi. We are not going to favor one side over the other, because every Kogi man is a proud man. There is only one Kogi state. And the only way you will have one Kogi state is to vote for Dino Malai. One Kogi. One Kogi. Before I hand over the flag to Dino, I want to hear from our Baba, presidential candidate.
PDP! 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 Now, thank you very much. PDP! Now, Kogi people, do you know why I know you are going to win on Saturday? This very strategy of locking out the PDP from legitimate venues
happened to us in Osun State. I led the PDP team to Osun State. We held a rally at the state secretariat like this. And we resolved to vote out APC. And we voted APC in Osun State. I want us to resolve on Saturday, you, the good people of Kogi State, will vote to reject APC in this state. Not only you vote to reject them, but you defend those votes. You know how to do it. I know you know. I know you know. And let me tell you, if you do that, and Dino becomes your governor, you are going to have one of the best governors in this country. Because I have worked with Dino since 1999. I know him as a member of the House of Reps, and I know what we did together. I know him as a senator, and I know how we work together. He is committed, he is determined, he is patriotic, and he is courageous. These are attributes that you are looking for in a leader. And he doesn't kill people like the present governor who kills people. So the people of Kogi State, I'm appealing to you for the sake of yourselves and for the sake of people of Kogi State. I'm appealing to you on Saturday to come out en masse, vote for PDP, and defend the vote. Has he stopped us, like the chairman said, from having a rally here? Yes, he closed the stadium which he did not build, which was built by PDP anyway. He closed all the hotels in town so that you cannot come. Have you not come? If you are determined and you are committed, you will do it on Saturday. I want to assure you, you have the total and complete support of the leadership of this party. To make sure that we allow you to vote and we also allow you to protect your vote. Don't miss this golden opportunity. This is the opportunity that you will use. You understand? You understand? I hope you will not disappoint me. Are you going to disappoint me? Are you going to disappoint me? Are you going to disappoint me? God bless you all. PDP!
Power!
PDP!
Power!
Power to the people.
PDP!
Thank you very much.
Power to the people.
PDP.
Women. No women.
No election.
One Kogi.
One destiny.
One destiny.
One Kogi.
Your Excellency, let me start on the existing protocol. We are happy to be here today. We thank God Almighty. We have went to run all the local governments for rally, and today we end our campaign. We thank God Almighty. Women, are you ready to vote Senator Dino Melaye? Are you ready to vote PDP? A vote for Senator Dino Melaye is a vote for development. A
vote for His Excellency to be Senator Dino Melaye is a vote for Kogi State to develop all our Kogi women. Hello, Kogi women. I know how you people have been doing. And I also use this privilege to congratulate our sister, Senator, the first female senator in Kogi State, Senator Natasha. And by the special grace of God, I'll be the first female deputy governor in our state here.
PDP!
Senator Dino Melaye has given women an opportunity. He knows the worth of women. And I want you people to come out on Saturday to vote for PDP. Senator Dino Melaye. PDP.
Power to the people.
PDP!
Power to the people!
PDP!
Power to the people!
If you love PDP, clap your hands. If you love Dino, clap your hands. If you love Abiba, and you will vote PDP. If you love PDP, clap your hands. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to recognize the most productive Democrat in Africa, the best politician south of the Sahara and north of the Limpopo, the People's President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. I want to appreciate the national chairman of our party and everybody here. Kogi people, I want to talk. I want to yarn. I want to speak. I want to sorrow. I want to magana. Everybody, sour me for one time. Sour me for two times.
Sour, sour.
Otiko, kotiko.
Hey, yeah, yeah.
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 Kogi people. APC say they don't want peace. Tell them, say, on Saturday, yawa go there. If they try to rig us,
Yawa go there.
if they try to rig us,
Yawa go there.
on Saturday, you do anyhow, you see.
Anyhow.
On Saturday, you do anyhow.
You see anyhow.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell the people of Kogi State that Dino Melaye is not going to be an Okun governor. Dino Melaye is not going to be an Egbira governor. Dino Melaye is not going to be an Igala governor. Dino Melaye is going to be the governor of Kogi State. I am not going to be a Christian governor. I am not going to be a Muslim governor. But I will govern with the fear of God. Out of everybody that is contesting, 18 of us looking for the position of governor in Kogi State, I am the only gubernatorial candidate with the 3 E's. I'm the only one with the 3 E's. I am the most educated. I am the most experienced. I am the most exposed.
PDP.
My people of Kogi,
I am also the tallest in all ramifications. And I will also tell you, if you drop Ododo on top of Yaya Bello, I'm still taller than both of them. If I say percentage salary, if there are people that are here, you say, Oze, Oze, percentage salary,
Oze,
no pension,
Oze,
corruption,
Oze,
bad road,
Oze,
killings,
Oze,
missing persons.
Oze.
And I want to tell us, and I want to say, ta 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 ta.
Oze.
When I say anything now, you say otoge. You say otoge. Corruption.
Otoge.
Percentage salary.
Otoge.
Retrenchment.
Otoge.
No pension.
Otoge.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to announce to the people of Kogi that every civil servant that have been unjustly sacked by Yaya Bello, within 3 months in office, we will reinstate all of you. I also want to promise you that we shall return local government administration back to the people. Today, if your local government fund is coming from Abuja, there is a toll gate in Lokoja. 75% will be removed and 25% will be sent home. If you know that that is coming to an end, wave your hand and do bye-bye to APC. Bye-bye to APC. Bye-bye to APC. Ladies and gentlemen, when I was growing up in Kogi State here, local government chairmen used to read their local government budget. And the legislature in the local government approved budget. When last did any local government chairman read any budget? I want to challenge all the 21 local government chairmen that for the past 7 years, none of them have seen allocation paper with their eyes. Not one of them. And I can bet my liver that in 7 years, no civil servant in Kogi State have collected complete salary for 1 month. It is so painful that we are in such a deplorable position that a permanent secretary, a serving permanent secretary in Kogi State, is going to the office on Okada. May God forgive APC. May God forgive APC. By the grace of God, we are going to promote tourism. We are going to make Kogi State a tourist attraction to the whole world. We are going to develop the best plateau you have in sub-Saharan Africa, the Mount Patti. We are going to put cable cars on Mount Patti. We are going to develop Mount Patti, and it will become a place of envy to all countries of the world. We are going to promote tourism on water. Between Natako and Jamata, we shall have boat clubs. We will invite partners from the whole world to provide infrastructure on PPP, on build, operate, and transfer. We will build 3-star hotel in water. We will build 5-star hotel, and this will attract, investors from all over the world. We are going to have the best cruise in the world. Today, if you go to Miami, there is 4 hours, 15 minutes cruise by the beach. From Lokoja to Onitsha, it is 8 hours cruise. It is the farthest and longest cruise in the world. We shall advertise on BBC, Al Jazeera, and CNN to announce that the farthest air cruise in the world is in Lokoja. We shall, through tourism, improve our IGR without taxing poverty. We are not going to go to a mechanic shop We are not going to go to Meshai and begin to place burden on them. We will think outside the box. We will develop our education and reform our curriculum. ICT and technology will be introduced to all schools in Kogi State. Because today, ideas rule the world. Ideas now rule the world. That's why you will see Uber. You will be the one to buy the car. You will drive the car. You will fuel the car. You will service the car. And Uber will make money. That is idea. Nigeria gave palm oil seedling to Malaysia in the 70s. Today, Malaysia is the biggest and largest exporter of palm oil in the world. What happened to Malaysia? Leadership. Today, Nigeria borrowed Dubai money in the early 80s. Dubai today have the busiest air routes in the world. Dubai is not a country. Dubai is not even the capital of Abu Dhabi, of United Arab Emirates. It is Abu Dhabi. But Dubai today is what it is because of leadership. We will also talk the same of Singapore, the country that lived the second stage of development, Lee Kuan Yew and Lee Kuan Yew. And you can see that they lived from third world to first world. What happened to Singapore? Leadership. We will do the same thing that is happening in Rwanda, a country where 3 million people were murdered to genocide. Country where there is a sharp tribal and ethnic division between the Hutus and the Tutsis. Today, they have the best GDP in Africa. Every international seminar in Africa is taking place in Kigali. Today, all phones produced in Rwanda are used in Rwanda are produced in Rwanda. What are we saying? What happened to Rwanda? Leadership. That is the same leadership that Atiku Abubakar wanted to give to this country. And I want to announce that Atiku is coming. And I want to say, I haven't studied Atiku Abubakar over the years. I am a junior Atiku Abubakar. I am a good student. And I am a good student. And I'm telling you that because of people like that around me, we will succeed in Kogi State. We are going to build 4 new districts in 4 years. In 4 years, we are going to build the new Lokoja. York was in existence before New York came to being. Zealand was there before New Zealand came. Delhi was there before New Delhi came. By the grace of God, in 4 years, we are going to build new Lokoja. Kogi State is a strategic state, is the richest state in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are blessed with mineral resources from uranium to titanium to lithium to gold to crude oil. And I want to assure you that the only one that has been tapped out of all these resources is limestone. We are going to tap the rest. We will explore them. We will develop them. We will commercialize them. We will distribute them. And we will improve our IGR. We are going to be dedicated to the payment of pension. We will pay gratuity. Our promotions will be cash backed. We will promote the youth and women. They are our strongest weapon. We will have the largest percentage of women and youth in any state government in Nigeria. We shall support you in all your endeavor. Because of time, I will want to stop here. I promise the people of Kogi, you are welcome to a new dawn. You are welcome to a new era. You are welcome to freedom. You are welcome to liberation. You are welcome to development. You are welcome to PDP. And I want to say, despite the fact that they blocked all venues for us to be used today, our people that are coming from the east, they were shooting at them. They blocked the road. They said they should not come. But are you not here? Can anybody block you on Saturday? By the grace of God, on the 28th of January, after my swearing in on the 27th, the gate of Government House shall be opened and liberation will come to Kogi State. On Saturday, please, every one of you should go and vote for PDP. The umbrella is there. Don't vote for all those small parties that have no political fallopian tube. Don't vote for those small parties that have no key holder. Don't vote for all those small parties that have no structure. Vote for the PDP and vote for your liberation. Go, guys. I also want to end this way. Please, can you all give Barrister Adiza, Natasha, Akpoti, Uduagan a round of applause? Please, let's give her a round of applause. And I congratulate once again the people of the Central and my sister Natasha. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.